So from the front of that to that square inch.
Cheers.
And you've done the same, have you?
Yeah, exactly the same.
Exactly the same as that. So a distance from here to the front of that
That will be
is
5/8, 3/4.
5/8 3/4.
It depends on your window. What have you got? 5/8.
5/8.
15 now.
And the quarter. So say again with the 1/4 inches from the board.
The 1/4 inch is from this edge here
That edge
to in line with that trench.
to in line with that
So
trench.
that's 1/4 inch.
Okay. I'm with you now. That's what it is on yours.
Yeah.